All right, guys, welcome to Second Gear Media. So what Second Gear Media is we are going to be now doing more production stuff. We had an Instagram called Second Gear AutoWorks. It was a lot of just car photography and stuff like that. So what we're actually going to be doing here is going to be doing more YouTube videos, not just car stuff either, but there will be some car stuff involved in that, along with we will be doing more stuff on our Instagram, more stuff socially, and kind of making ourselves into an actual thing. So any support will be great and much appreciated. So with that, the first thing we're actually going to be doing today is a cooking show, which a little backstory behind why we're doing a cooking show. So I actually have a culinary background of my own, and along with me and Spencer, who will be our co-host on the cooking show, along with our co-host and a lot of the stuff here, him and I actually started a cooking show in 2011. As a quick example, I was 14. It did not turn out well. I had a high-pitched voice. We are idiots. We made something that was the easiest thing to make, and somehow we messed it up in the first place by, you'll see, because we'll kind of add little tidbits of that, because that's still a video. In fact, I'll actually put a link down below. And then along with that, there will, so with this cooking show, just because I'm also giving the quick definition of what we're all doing today, it won't be as long of a cooking show just because I want to make the video 20 minutes long. So actually today we are going to be doing something very simple, something well-known, something we've done before, and the best way to have it said is I'm going to let 2011 Spencer say it for me.
Instead of cooking something, we are just going to make Jamocha shake.
Hi guys, welcome to Insert Name Here Cooking Show. We can't think of a name, so come up with one for us.
Put them in the download comments.
So the nice thing about this cooking show, it's like every other online cooking show, except with alcohol. So, in other words, it's every other online cooking show. Alright. Because of the because of the definition in the video. Because of the definition in the beginning of the video, thank God I can cut. Alright. Because of the definition in the beginning of the video, today we are going to be making Jamocha shakes. Or as Spencer likes to say,
Jamocha shakes.
Perfect.
Classic.
Alright, so this time we're doing a little different than what we did in 2011. So this time, we're adding alcohol. So, to make these shakes, what you need is 1 cup of coffee. This is cooled coffee, unlike last time. This is exactly 1 cup.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah, it was. You need 1 cup of milk. We're using alcohol. Well, it's chocolate.
Not alcohol for 1 cup.
We'll probably add some. Yeah, here, grab the milk, Spencer. No, I'll add more. Just a little twig.
Good stuff.
Alright, then we'll make it into 1 cup. That's pretty.
Ooh, pretty good.
So, mix that 1 cup in. Now you just got really good iced coffee. Alright, end of show. Bye.
That's really...
Alright. So then,
some soft serve.
Some... oh boy.
Wow.
Some squishy ice cream. I think the issue is we can't remake this part of the episode.
That's too much ice cream already.
No, it's not.
You sure?
100%.
Okay.
We might need a Coke can.
Ginger ale it is.
Alright. So, what we did was our very exact measurements of a cup, and then some scoops. Now, well, there was nothing on that. Not the most important part.
Corona.
Alright. So we made some fairly simple things. We moved very quickly. This is like a 30-second cooking show. But the best part is, we get to drink it. It actually needs more ice cream. Alright, so yeah, we get to take a nice little sip and see how we like it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Are these plastic?
These are pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, plastic.
Yeah, these are a lot better than 2011 Jamocha shakes. Alright, so we'll actually be taking this cooking show a little more seriously than we are right now. this one was more of a rush thing because we are explaining a few things and because we're kind of rushed on time and it is almost 1 in the morning. So we're going to get drunk off of milkshakes. All right. Have a nice day.